What's the meaning of blubber? Blubber. Blubber.
Blubber. Blubber. Blubber is a thick layer of fat found under the skin of marine mammals, such as whales, seals, and walruses. This layer of fat provides insulation and energy storage that is essential for survival in cold water environments. In addition to its practical functions, blubber has also been an important cultural and economic resource for many indigenous communities. It has been used for food, fuel, and clothing for thousands of years. Unfortunately, modern commercial whaling and hunting practices have led to the decline of many whale and seal populations, making the collection and consumption of blubber much less common today.